Most football fans think they understand the offside rule. They do not. They know the word. They know when to shout at the referee. But ask them to explain why a goal is cancelled, and suddenly, everyone becomes a confused lawyer. The strange part? The rule is actually simple. The confusion comes from one tiny detail that changes everything. Here is exactly how it works. Offside is not about where the player is standing. That is the first myth. It is about when the ball is played. A player is usually offside if they are closer to the opponent's goal than both the ball and the second last defender at the exact moment their teammate passes the ball. Simple version: you cannot wait behind the defense like a person camping outside a restaurant before opening time. Football does not reward hiding. It rewards timing. Imagine you are the striker. Your teammate has the ball. You run behind the defenders and wait alone near the goal. Then your teammate passes. You score. Looks clever. Feels clever. But the referee says no. Why? Because you gained an unfair advantage by starting too far forward before the pass happened. And that is the real reason the rule exists. Offside is not designed to ruin goals. It is designed to stop attackers from turning football into a simple race toward the goalkeeper. Without offside, the game changes completely. Strikers could stay near the goal all match. Defenders would have one job: launch the ball forward and hope. No midfield battles, no clever movement, no tactical thinking, just a very expensive version of children chasing a ball. The offside rule forces teams to create space, make runs at the right moment, and think one step ahead. The best attackers are not always the fastest. They are the ones who move at exactly the right second. But here is where things get interesting. Most people miss the biggest twist. Being in an offside position is not automatically an offense. A player can stand in an offside position and nothing happens. They only become offside when they become involved in the play. That means touching the ball, interfering with an opponent, or gaining an advantage from that position. Standing there is not illegal. Using that position at the wrong moment is. Football, somehow, created a rule where doing nothing can be completely fine. Very dramatic for a sport where everyone complains about everything. And this matters even more in modern football. With major tournaments like the FIFA World Cup 2026 featuring the world's best attackers, tiny timing differences can decide huge moments. A striker can be perfectly positioned for 89 minutes, then move half a second too early. Goal gone. That is football. The offside rule is not about stopping attackers. It is about making the battle between attackers and defenders fair. The ball matters. The timing matters. The position matters. Miss one part, and the whole decision changes. So next time you see a goal cancelled, do not just ask, was he behind the defenders? Ask the real question. Where was he when the pass was made? That is the secret. The game has not changed. You have. You're welcome. Subscribe if you enjoyed this type of content. It means a lot.